Welcome to Country Boy Testy. We about to go out do an evening ride. I got my riding glasses on. After the sun gets kind of low, I like these are driving glasses. Now these seal the air off and bugs can't go under them, so I don't have to worry about them when I'm riding in the evenings. I'm gonna turn my light, my music on, and we about to go fast, everybody. Welcome to the country ride. We're gonna do this in hyperlapse. Come on with me. All right, everybody, that's the quick laps right there. We got in about, let's see how many miles we put in. We got in 25.3 miles. 25.3 miles. Hey, we're coming up on a 1,000-mile review in a few here on the Movcan. We at 872. We got 872 miles on it. I will do a 1,000-mile review once we get there. As you see, we got moped tires on here for the guys who haven't tried these tires yet. If you haven't tried the moped style tire on these bikes, trust me, it's a night and day difference between that tire and those little Maypops we've been riding on. Give it a shot, everybody. Thanks for riding with your old country boy. Have a good one. Enjoy that time lapse.